Hey guys, me and my friend has been hearing some weird noises outside of the window. It's okay because we were like just watching Killer Clown videos, but no one's there. Let's take a peek outside. And then my friend likes humping in the bed. It's just weird. And so we're kind of really scared.